Shuttle 684, turn left heading 310.
310, Shuttle 684.
It's a strange small object that we just flew by, a small silver canister. Do you know what that could be?
49er Kilo, we've had no reports in that area. What altitude and direction is it heading?
It appears to be standing still. I'm at 3,500 feet. It was right off our wingtip. Small silver canister.
Roger, thanks. Do you think it's a drone or is it like a balloon type?
I saw nothing attached to it. It was sort of hovering there. It was astonishing. I don't know what it was.
Creepy.
I want to believe.
Chronos 402, contact approach on 125.75.
2575, Chronos 402. Good luck with the aliens.
684, clear visual approach on 823, contact tower.
Clear for vision 23 over tower, 6342.
See ya. 503, Sir Papa, altitude 0 to correction traffic, you're following 6 mile left base, up here E175, go showing turbulence.
Following the E175, see looking for the traffic, 503, Sir Papa.